My name is Ilze, and I'm going to be reading The Queen of Seagulls with you. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a house that was neither old nor new, there lived a woman named Ruta, who was neither old nor young. Renata's life was not easy. Her flat was beset on all sides with noises she couldn't stand. Children laughing loudly, neighbors listening to loud music. But above all else, Renata hated the seagulls and their loud shrieks. Renata was ready to fight them. To spite these wretched birds, Renata spent her mornings writing to the city council. Every other day she would send a letter describing in great detail how the seagulls tormented her with their screeching. But the council didn't reply, and the seagulls continued to cry. Renata had never been one to give up, and nor was she going to this time. Surely there was something she could do. From her third-floor window, Renata watched as her ground-floor neighbor left out food for the gulls. Then she dashed downstairs and quickly picked it all up. Hiding in her kitchen, behind drawn curtains, Renata ate all of it for lunch. For some reason, she found seagull food particularly delicious, and she ate it with great relish, her fork clicking against the plate like a seagull's beak. But then what? I guess you'll have to continue reading. I really hope you enjoy. I enjoyed the book, and I hope you learn a lot from it. I've also written a message inside of it, and I hope that helps you in your reading as well. Thank you. Bye!